Alright, so this is a 2001 Honda Accord, and the roof drain for the driver's side is over there. Sorry, this is the passenger side. Roof drain there. Hooks to that tube there. Alright, so with all that trunk stuff pulled back, but that's the driver's side one there. Okay, so I'll pull out. So that's what it looks like. Okay, that's the passenger side. And that's what they look like at the top for the rear. This is the passenger side. Driver's side's about the same. Headliner's got to come down. This passenger side one's the one that kicks everybody's butt. So what you do is disconnect all them wires and push them down. And you get up in there and you can see it. You can see it right there. That golden tube will not be plugged into that little black elbow, and it'll be running out on the floor. That's what they look like at the top. This is the passenger side top. I just added a piece of tubing in there. So this is the driver's side. Just has a little elbow down there with a tube in it. Well, right there. Little black elbow there. Right in the middle. Driver's side floorboard. And then of course at the top I just added a piece of tubing. So that's about what it looks like. What I did is I went around to each corner, each one of these corners where the tubes are, and added a piece to it to make it longer. And then I went to the bottom end and replugged them all in, because basically they shrank, got shorter, and popped out and leaked water everywhere. All of them did. All right, hope this helps somebody. Have a good day.